Welcome back, everybody.
Hello, everyone. Alright, so I think this is the guy we need to talk to.
Or
no.
maybe you talk to the other guy.
Talk to the competent guy. Well, the more competent guy. The slightly less stupid guy. Yeah, sure, why not?
Sure. Pissant, over here. I think I'm gonna give Lamp a smoker voice.
We'll catch up with the second escort soon. Let's get ready. We should time our jumps well after we catch up to them. Save some time. From now on, we have exactly 5 minutes to complete the operation. Let's try to use every second. Kia!
Wee!
Pissant, over here. Haha.
Okay, so I guess it only works... you only have to worry about it if
They're like in the window.
they're in the window. Hurry up, P2. You're competent. Sir, everything in order. Sir!
You again. That's 27 times now.
Mm-hmm.
How many more times do you plan to disturb me with that meaningless report?
Sir! I'm sorry, sir! But it's my duty, sir!
Ellipses. It's hard to believe that anyone will put up with this nonsense. I guess it's none of my business. Dismissed.
Sir! Yes, sir!
I like my arrogant.
Yeah. Next one's paycheck. I'm gonna propose to her now. We're gonna have to put it off again. Sir!
I'm glad he speaks in like a soldier voice all the time.
Even in his head.
We're gonna uncouple this thing.
Like what said.
I forgot the smoker voice.
Let us know if you sees them coming.
If you seize them.
See, that one's B2. Okay, so B2 is...
We're writing some code down so we don't fuck this up.
B4 is that. Okay. I'm as ready as I'll ever be. 4, 1, 4, 3. What? No.
Oh.
3, 2, 3, 2. No? Okay. 1, 3, 1, 4. No! What? No! Oh, come on, really?
It's nothing.
Okay, let's try this again. Okay. We have 6 minutes left. That's more than we started with. Cool. Glad to know you think I'm incompetent. What the hell? Okay. 1, 2, 1, 3. I don't get it. Yeah, no thanks to you. Alright, 1, 1, 2, 2. Yeah. This is Ocean's 11 shit right here. 4, 4, 2, 3. 4, 4, 2, 3.
Oh
Up
shit.
we go. Come on. Or not. Okay, that works too. I guess we can only go up at certain points.
It's nothing. They just saw us. It's fine.
Alright, so I'll enter 2 codes and then I'll head up. It's a new strategy. Code 2, 4, 4, 1. 2, 4, 4. Oh, that was 2, 4, 1, 1, not 2, 4, 4, 1. Okay. 4, 1, 3, 4. 4, 1, 3, 4. Up we go.
Blah blah blah. Wait. Take forever.
Bam 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 dun 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 dun. 1124. 1124. 2221. 2221. Cha.
Oh, I guess you could.
Is it? Are we good? Nope. 4132. 4132. Ah, damn it.
Fuck.
It's your fault. You said we were good. I blame you. Alright, let's try this one more goddamn time. 7 minutes left. Thank you for giving me that. 4342. 4342. Getting it done in time is not the issue here. It's getting up in time that's the problem. 1411. 411. And up we go.
What button is B6?
I have no idea. I don't want to test it. Let's see. 4322. 4322. 2113. 2113.
Alley-oop. And I guess we'll just wait.
Yeah, we got plenty of time. Unless I screw up royally. As in, I won't be able to put in the code in the next 6.5 minutes. Alright. Last one. 4311. 4311. Yeah!
Pissant, this way!
George Clooney, you got nothing on me! Why would you spray paint the word Raiders onto your... whatever.
Wait, what did they spray paint onto it?
They spray painted a skull with the word Raiders on top of it. Yeah, no.
That's not how that works.
That's not how physics work. Finally. Waited so long for this encounter with Vinzer.
Stomach gurgles. Oh, we're gonna wait a few more minutes! That was a poop joke.
Haha! Alright. We're good.
Well then. Leave the intelligence to me, sir. Oh god, we're doomed!
Oh god! More stomach cramps. Right. Well. I'll begin serious negotiations with the president. I'm going to punch him up. Kick his fucking ass! Alright, since we didn't have a chance to do this while we were on break, I'm gonna go ahead.
We're in a junction.
In a junction stuff.
Back in a sec.
Be back in 1 second. Alright, we're back. We're done with junctioning. I'm gonna talk to Lamp. And go have a word with our fair president. President Delling. As long as you don't resist, you won't get hate.
And if I do resist, ellipses, what would you do, ellipses, young lady?
Exclamation points! What's wrong?
Boo-hoo, too bad. I'm not the president. I'm what they call a body double.
Bum bum bum.
All these rumors about the many resistance groups in Timber. You pass along a little false information and they fall for it. How pathetic. Seems like they're the only amateurs around here. Oh, seems like they're... Oh god, I fucked up that line.
Amateurs!
Amateur. Ah, my butt hurts from all this sitting, young lady. I don't know why there's so much emphasis. So what did you have in store for me? Had I resisted? God, that was weird. Why don't you tell me? Oh God, he's a robot, isn't he?
Almost.
Quite amusing, for being such amateurs. How dare you insult the president? I'm really confused right now.
You won't be in a second. Well, I mean, you might still be confused, but...
I think I'll always be confused in this game. You fell for it. Oh, guys, some kind of zombie?
Yes, actually.
What? No way.
He is, in fact, a zombie.
Does that mean we can cast Cure on him to do damage?
Yep.
Oh my god. Fucking Final Fantasy.
They're nothing if not consistent.
Well, just fucking Phoenix down his ass and get it over with.
Well, I think we have to get him to the, to his, like, second form. He must reveal his true form. Anytime.
I really feel like there should be music right here. This is weird.
That's because the real boss fight hasn't started yet. That's why there isn't music.
Amusing. This is amusing. I don't know, just the choice to like not have music at all during a battle is just strange.
Yeah.
There's so much silence. I feel like we need to make a soundtrack so there's such utter silence.
Let's add some music to the background.
Whoa. Oh, here.
Cause this is Thriller Night.
Oh, jeez.
That's fairly horrific.
Okay, Phoenix down his ass and get this over with.
Okay. Why isn't there music?
I really don't
What
know.
the... Why isn't there music?
Bam, get the hell out of here.
And dead.
Gotta love Final Fantasy.
Yeah, you gotta love Final Fantasy.
Next time on Uber Me.
Why isn't there music?
Well, next time on Uber Meet, we'll find out why there's
Yeah,
no music.
we'll take a look at that and make sure that we didn't mix up something.
Well, I guess you should wait until after this video, huh?
Can't believe we fell for it. Info, sir. New info. It's big news. Found out the real reason why the president's not here, sir. The president's going to the TV station. Security's super tight, sir. TV station.
Why in Timber? They can broadcast just as easily from Galbania. Oh god, yeah.
Do you think the gigantic fucking radio tower they have in Timber has anything to do with the fact that he's trying to go to the TV station in Timber?
No.
You think that might have something to do with it?
Ridiculous.
What's that? What's that? You live in Timber! Dude, they can transmit and receive radio waves and has been abandoned for a long time. The Galbadian army has got up and running yesterday.
Oh, I get it.
TV station that can handle broadcasts over the air is Timber. Other stations use HD cables which only support online broadcasting.
Radio waves. I knew it.
Damn it, Video! Why didn't you kill the radio stars sooner? So, here's the president's plan. Nobody uses TVs anymore because, like, the TV station and the radios just that like something happened to them, they broke or whatever, and nobody bothered to fix them, so nobody got any TVs or radios. So nobody has them anymore. So what the president just did is he repaired the radio tower, and is going to the TV station to transmit his message to the world. But that only works if people have TVs and radios to receive them.
Oh god, this game is so dumb.
So his plan is to send out a message that no one will be able to hear.
Oh my god.
I don't understand.
This game doesn't make any sense.
Wonderful if the first broadcast could be a declaration of Timber's independence.
that might be possible.
A Declaration of Independence, if you would. We're gonna go over here and have the shits for a minute. Can you give us a minute? Maybe
We're
you
all
can come
having
back
a
next time on
shit
Uber
fest.
Meet.
Next time on Uber Meet.